All right, so let's talk about the very unexpected news from Seint yesterday. My phone has been blowing up, my DMs have been blowing up just since the news dropped yesterday. And so I just want to address it. I know you guys have seen, probably if you follow other Seint artists or have just been a part of this community for a while, you're probably seeing a lot of some good, some bad posts that are kind of going around. And so I just wanted to hop on here, kind of explain what's going on and essentially what it means for the future of Seint and for customers and all of that. So basically yesterday, Seint announced to all of the artists that they're going to be doing away with the network marketing structure that they have in our company. And they're going to be moving over to an affiliate only based structure. So instead of building teams and bringing on new artists the way that we did in the past, we will just be focusing on sales. So the compensation plan that they previously had has been reworked, and it's more of a sales-based compensation plan. And then they're going to basically just kind of dissolve the teams that Seint currently has starting October 1st. The best analogy I can think of for it is if you think of like kind of like a bundle of balloons. They've kind of just like cut the string. So now all the balloons are still there, but they're just kind of free agents instead of being like tied together, if that kind of makes sense. So what this means for you as a customer of Seint is pretty much nothing changes. The company's not going anywhere. The products are not going anywhere. They're not changing any of that. I'm still going to be affiliated with them. I'm going to be one of their artist affiliates instead of just considered an artist, which means that I can still assist you with color matching. I'll still be available to answer all of your questions and guide you through the makeup process. I'm still going to be using this page and my YouTube and all the other things that I've always done as far as teaching about the products, how to use them, and just providing all the same customer support and trainings and things that essentially I always have. So as far as the customer side of things goes, nothing changes. So if you've been seeing things going around, if you've been worried, if you've been trying to figure out how this impacts you and your makeup routine, it doesn't. So I hope this kind of puts your mind at ease if it's something that has, flustered you a little bit or gotten you nervous. And of course, if you are somebody who has been interested in Seint, again, I can still assist you. I can be your artist. I can work with you. I can help color match you, help you figure out how to get started with these products, because again, nothing is changing on the side of the customers. Everything remains the same. Everything's still available. Your experience will be identical. And so don't let it be something that kind of holds you back or scares you off, because again, this change is something that impacts things on the internal side and not on the external side. Where this change has the greatest impact is obviously on the artists, and specifically on artists that have always focused on team building, because the team building is obviously what is going away. And so artists who have built massive teams over their period of time here with Seint, when that dissolves, then it obviously is going to impact their income and the paycheck that they've received for Seint. And there are just so many incredible leaders here at Seint, and having that leadership side taken away is obviously devastating for so many women. And so my heart just goes out to all of those ladies who I've worked with and women who I have just seen do such incredible things for this company, and how this is going to be impacting them, because it's going to be a massive change on their side of things. But again, the company is still going strong. The products are still incredible. I still absolutely love them, and I'm still going to be here doing all the same things. So again, on the customer side of things, this will not have an impact on you, and you don't need to worry about it. This is something that just affects things on the internal side. And like I said, my heart does break and go out to all of the women who are going to see an impact from this within the Seint community. But as a customer, you are solid. So don't let this be something that worries you. We have lots of exciting things coming up. We're going to be launching in the UK by the end of summer. We're going to be going to Australia by the end of the year, and then Mexico's going to follow. So lots of really exciting things coming up. We have our customer appreciation party that's going to be coming up here in July, July 22nd, I believe. And that's always really great. There's usually new releases and really great sales and all that kind of stuff. So lots of great stuff still in store. So don't let this concern you. But I will say that this whole Shake Up with Seint has just given me so much gratitude for all of my customers and the people that have entrusted me to color match them and recommend products to them and work with them over the years, because essentially it's because of you. It's because of this customer base that I have that has allowed me to be able to make this transition really smoothly with Seint and to not be such a shake up for me. And I am just so incredibly grateful for every single one of you. Like, I cannot express enough how much gratitude I have for the community that I've built here, and for you guys just, like I said, trusting me and giving me the opportunity to be your artist. And I hope that we can continue to grow and work together, because there is nothing that I enjoy and love more. And then I'm also really grateful because even though the team side of things is kind of going away with Seint, I've obviously started working with Oliveda and building up a customer base there, but also building a team there. And that kind of gives me that best of both worlds. So I'm able to continue sharing this makeup and products that I love. I'm also able to share about this skincare line that has just completely changed my skin in such incredible ways. But it also allows me to be able to work with other women and build up that team and help some of them start businesses because of my affiliation with Oliveda as well. And so I just feel really grateful and really blessed, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you guys. And again, I'm here if you need color matched, if you're interested in the skincare or the business opportunity with that, then I am here. I would love to chat, and just know that my DMs are always open.